This shake I'm about to show you today is a cheap shake, and it's a keepsake. I'm gonna start off with a NutriBullet. It doesn't have to be the NutriBullet brand, but any shake, any high-powered blender that uses something like this in a container like this, like the NutriBullet, is perfect. I start off with 1 banana. Now, to help with the consistency and to conserve avocados, I usually only do 1/2 of an avocado. Blend the pit of an avocado. The pit includes more minerals and more vitamins and is safe to eat. I'll usually do 1/2 a pit and I break it like this. Watch your teeth. You can see here, I have 1/2 a pit and that goes in the cup. So now I have 1 banana, a 1/2 avocado, and optional 1/2 the pit. Next I take yogurt. This particular yogurt is the Chobani brand, but you can use any brand. These are a little harder to come by, but you can also use Chobani brand yogurt drinks. The whole thing in the cup. After that, for additional protein, omega-3s, and fiber, I do Hempseeds. These have a lot of the same benefits as chia seeds, except they make the consistency of the shake much better. So I do Hempseeds in the shake, and that's about how much I usually do. Now it's time to add your base. You can do coconut milk, almond milk, soy milk, which I don't recommend, or regular milk. Really just any milk brand that you want that's going to add the base of your smoothie. I wouldn't recommend juice and water on this one, but there are smoothies where, like apple juice or cranberry juice or orange juice, makes a perfectly good base. So I pour the coconut milk in. So now I have 1 banana, a 1/2 of an avocado, a 1/2 of a pit, yogurt, hemp seeds, and a milk base. After that, you can add ice, you can add berries, spinach, or any other additives that might improve the shake or the nutrient content for you. But just for today, we're going to keep it simple. That's what the shake looks like when it's nice and blended. Cheers.